Ikaw gardening through one real-time experience in na experience na buta. So second is teaching experience learning models for simulation. Example, students use a globe studying the earth. So in our elementary days in science, identify din na kayo naman sa ito ang globe. Diba? Identify na ito ba sa talapit nga country, planet, or kung saan nagkasa talapit ng nilo sa equator or something else. So, number 3, please read Ma'am Bianca.
Dramatized experiences, learning by acting out situations. Example, student perform a role play about an accident.
Okay, dramatized experience. So, kabalo naman tama, naka-experience na gintaan nga, like in college, like mga role play ka, mga role play na we are using our critical thinking to think what to act, o kung saan para beautiful ato ang, or sana ato ang mag-present sa atubangan. So, next, 4 is the demonstration. Learning by watching someone perform a task. Example, the teacher demonstrate how to use PowerPoint. Okay, right now, I am demonstrating about our topic. So that is one of the example of demonstrating. So, 5 is the asa.
5. Study experiences. Learning by visiting real places. Example,
Isa.
Okay, study grades. Mura, some of us wala sa experience, some of us na experience. Pero, this is one. Pwede siya by school lang or kanang home winning mo you explore in other places. Tapos, dito ka makakita of other things na makalearn ka na naanin ka. Okay, mga kuwan, side, or mga explore ka na to more ng mga places. Okay. 6. Exhibit. Learning by observing display, object, or object. Examples, visit a science fair exhibit. So, nanamadali ka ng mga kaya na ako. Kaya ka naman exhibit natin sa school, mga kapita na mag-display sila o mga different types of things like na science. One of the example is museum. So, makakita sa dito mga different pictures or sculpture or painting. So, 7, mga educational televisions, learning through TV programs. Example, students watch okay, educational television. So, this is one of useful technology nga ato ang makuha ng source. Dahil na maglataw na ang mga kuhan, dahil na sa makita na ang mga learning videos na makakuha na na
Information.
knowledge or makalearn na through that videos or picture that show. So, 8. Motions, pictures. Learning through imitation, video or film. Example, students watch an animation about the solar system. So, makakita saan is also sa TV namin. Channel sa TV na ay science. So, makikita kung saan nila pag-experiment, kung saan kuha na makita mo ang solar eclipse, diba? Okay. Nakita mo ba ang tanan?
Yes.
Okay, ano ba to?
Arnav.
Okay. So, number 9. Ma'am Smart, please read the number 9.
Mrs. Nor.
recordings, radio, and still pictures. Learning through audio recordings and pictures. Example, students listen to a podcast while reviewing photographs.
Okay, so number 9, this is experience na nato mga friends at mga lolos, lolas. So, may atas ay maminaw o radio, or maminaw o mga news na makakuha tao, mga learning things or kaya news na use kayo sa atua para or kaya mga disaster
for technology, pedagogical content knowledge. It explains that
In this part 2, I will explain the key
Diba na, Kuday?
framework, especially the 4 types of knowledge. Technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge. So let's
ngit-ngit kayo.
let's really do one.
Teacher understands biology.
So sa CP, as a teacher or as a future teacher, no, kailangan ako may baban na ako ang lesson eh. Kung saan ko na ako pagtugdo sa itong mga student, kung wala kang kabalo sa lesson. So example, another example, kung teacher ka, dapat kabalo ka magluto, magtanim ko, mag-computer. Then sa listen,
Group activity, role playing.
then sa PT, kabalo ta, kung saan paggamit sa
Ikaw na ba video rin?
yun lang
Ay,
po,
nakaayos.
lecture ka. Waiting ka
Lingkod na.
mag-demonstration, mag-discussion, technological knowledge, knowing how to use technology. Example, PowerPoint, Canva, Google Classroom, and YouTube. So, di ba, kung teacher yun ka dapat, lalo ka pagkagamit sa technology. Example, nag-present ka sa itong mga estudyante, magamit na ko ang PowerPoint, o di ba, ilangan ba? So, kabalot na, mas maibalaan sa mga estudyante kung saan kung ipakita o matulog sila. Then, please do this one. So, anyone, kung sa inyong nasabtan anak ang theoretical content knowledge, para sa inyo, kung sa inyong nasabtan na sa inyong klasa, may I call Agnar? Pedagogical content, ma'am? Yes. So for me, pedagogical content is where for example, you're teaching science. So what's the best way in teaching your students about science? So di ba, magpa-experiment ka. Like example, kung imong i-mix ang menthol o ang coke, what would happen? So the teacher would do kanang mga experiment na dayon. For example, the teacher will teach about English. So maghatag siya ng mga vocabularies. It is when the teacher know the students, the subject. Iyapang i-learn ang students o ang subject kung unsay better way na para makasabot sila. Thank you, ma'am. Technological content knowledge. Knowing which technology best fits the lesson. Anyone? Isa yung nasabtan ang technological content knowledge is sa inyong nakita or nabasa. Miss Bell?
So technological content knowledge basically knowing which technology best fits a lesson. So when it comes to discussing with our learning, kailangan din nato maibawan bitaw unsay fit na gamiton nimo sa gamiton nimo nga tools para sa mag-deliver ka sa lesson o mag-instruct ka o mag-give ka og discussion. Kaya for example, PowerPoint. So sa PowerPoint dapat ang mga naka-instruct na nga objective dapat naka-align gyud sa unsay mo i-discuss, and then sa dapat ang funds kay readable siya, and then yung dapat dili sa over design ng imong PowerPoint.
That's very good. Thank you, Miss Bell. Anyone need technological knowing how
This reading
Of content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and technological knowledge that result in effective teaching.
So, kaya na ano, as a teacher o as a teacher. So, ako lang i-combination tanan, maayo ang atong pagkakaw sa students. So, dali ka nila masabsan o
Okay, please prepare your phone.
Since our activity is under Zone A, the class will be divided into two groups. I will gradually reveal a Zone A picture on the screen. Each group will have 10 seconds to identify the picture. Once the picture is identified, one person of the internal group will stand and answer the following questions. Identify the picture and explain its use or purpose. State which brand of experience it belongs to. Identify whether it is concrete, inactive, iconic, or symbolic learning. If the first group gives an incorrect answer or fails to answer, within time limit, the group will have one chance to steal and earn the point. Each correct answer is worth 5 points. 1 point for it identifies the name of the picture. 1 point is state the uses or functions. 2 points for it identifies